Alright boys, we got a package. It's not the real thing I wanted. The real thing was just, there's too many problems and I could never get my hands on it. It goes really deep, but we have a rep kit here. So we're gonna see if it's actually worth the 800 bucks that I spent on it. So let's open it, see what we got. Fits good. Dude, this thing looks so fucking cool. Oh my god. I'm in love. Let's get you guys a front view, or this side view right here. I gotta fix that side, don't worry. Fix it real quick. Push one side, the other side comes on. Oh, this car looks so cool. Oh, guys, I don't know how excited you are, but I'd say I'm pretty excited. Now, what I see a problem being is the bumper being too low on the ground. There's a little, I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but right there is a little chip in the back. I'm gonna get another hood because this hood is acting up ever since I put that strut bar thing on. So I'm gonna get another hood. I'm gonna look into getting all the front bumper tabs so it fits like OEM. We gotta figure out what we're gonna do with the body kit and how we're gonna keep it held in, because I want it to be clean looking on the outside. I don't know, or rivet it. That might be the option we have to go with. I think this shit looks pretty fucking cool. I don't know about you guys, but for being a rep kit, I guess it's all right, but I would have loved to have the actual Duce kit. I mean, it looks sick. It makes the car stand out hella a bunch. And it's made of fiberglass, so I'm kinda scared. If it was polyurethane, I think this would be an amazing kit if it was polyurethane. If KBD actually made it. Yeah, this shit looks cool. I'm gonna try and get the rear bumper on if I have time. Yeah, we're gonna see what it looks like. Yeah, so the rear bumper doesn't fit at all. Once you get the top tabs where the trunk is, the sides don't even like match up with the body line right there. So, and this side's kinda it's even, then this side's bowed out like hell. So try and get another rear bumper. If we can't, then I guess we're just gonna have to fix this one. We'll see. Alright guys, so it's the next day. I got the body kit out from under the house. I'm working on test fitting it right now. I'm mainly focused on the front bumper, and I'll do the side skirts. The rear bumper, that's gonna be challenging. It's gonna be the most challenging part of this kit because it is a rep kit. It's from probably Jpfibershop. And if you guys know who they are, you know that some of their body kits, they're meh, they fit like meh, but I don't know, this is my first JP fiberglass kit. So I just have it mocked up right now. I got some wood underneath, nothing else is really mounted. I went ahead and put the bumper, plastic bumper support back in the car, so it holds it very nicely. Now we just need to figure out how we're gonna make tabs for the top and then also the sides. So I need to get some, I need to source some OEM bumper brackets and stuff. I remember seeing a metal plate that goes right here. Also there's places to screw the sides in to the fender, but first we need to find where we need to drill our holes because you can see there's no holes. I'm gonna try to use the heat gun, bend the kit and make it fit where I want it to fit. Hopefully the heat gun will work. I don't know for sure, but it's worth a shot. It's coming along and this is the final piece we need to actually get the car ready for paint. So I'm super excited. I hope you guys are too, because this Miata is about to be sick. Before we can drill holes and do all the other stuff and mount our kit, we need to move the car into the driveway and get our wheels off, get the car jacked up so we can actually maneuver inside and mess with all of our tabs and everything else like that. So I'm gonna take the bumper off and move the car in the driveway. Alright guys, so now where we would go from here, get the car jacked up, take our wheels off, and test fit our kit. Alright guys, so I kind of got it pretty close. If the camera will focus, I got it really close to the edge on the backside and it fits all well back here, but once you start to move towards the front, there's definitely a lot more work that's going to be needed to actually get this body kit to fit how I want it to. The bumper fits meh. Right now I just have the tabs clamped with some vice grip type things, but this front part is the major section where we need to focus on, because when the hood's fully closed you got a big body gap right there, so we need to get that fixed. and also this side skirt. So yeah, I ain't gonna lie guys, I have been trying to get these parts fitted for the past 3 to 4 days now. I've had a lot of stuff going on, haven't really had time. Every little bit of time counts. Today's the weekend, so I'm trying to get as much stuff fitted as possible. We are gonna make this kit work. It's gonna be a lot of work, I'm not even gonna lie. Honestly, I don't even wanna put the rear bumper on because it's so far gone. But we're gonna try our best and hope for the best. But yeah, this car is gonna be insane. Let's look at this side with the wheels. Oh yeah. Yeah, this car is gonna be mean when it's done. I can't wait. It's gonna be even lower, and we're also gonna have a underglow kit to put on here. So I'm super excited about that. Once the body kit is fitted onto the car, we can send it to the body shop, get this rear section fixed, and then I'm going to go through the whole car, sand it all, find me a spot to sand it because I am going to be taking the hard top off and other various little things so I can get into all the little nooks and crannies on this vehicle.